Okay, so welcome all. Welcome to Financial Fitness Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about triangles. Before we study triangles, how many of you in your school times when you had to go through geometry or if engineering times, how many of you loved the triangles in geometry type? Yes. How many of you love to solve the problems of triangle, like ये angle, वो angle, इसका ये वो? Can I have yes from all of you, those who love to see the questions of triangle? Okay. How many of you hated that question? यार ये कहाँ आ गया? ये कौन सा angle है? क्या है? What is this? If you never liked triangles in the geometry, or you never liked geometry itself in the first place, type yes. I hated this. Okay. How many of you don't even remember triangle, what triangles were and why, in which part of math they were? अच्छा, geometry में थे क्या? Okay. If you have forgotten all about triangles in your school time, वो क्या होता है? So type yes. Okay. Great. And all those who have decided that whatever question I will ask, they will not type yes. All those people, please type yes. Okay. Okay, great. So let's begin. So now these triangles, what we are going to learn today, everyone will love it. Everyone will want that triangle to come their way, and they want those triangles. So everyone will say, whether you love maths or not, whether you love biology, commerce, arts, whatever field you have loved, you will love this triangles. You will love the triangles, what I am going to share with you. But at least we should remember the shape of triangle. Huh? You should not call a square a triangle. That's it. So triangle. Use of triangle. Triangles are indicators that where the smart money is getting invested. Either they are handing it over to the common investor and trying to come out, or they are investing and the price is likely to go up. How many of you attended my webinar this Thursday, where I shared with you about accumulation and distribution, how the accumulation and why accumulation and distribution happens, how the smart money behaves when it accumulates, and why it distributed, right? If you have not attended, I have already uploaded on the YouTube webinar. So triangle is in the same. It's an accumulation pattern or a distribution pattern. But the beauty of triangle is it gives a measure. It gives a perfect measure how far the price will go. I don't know how it happens, but it happens. It has been proven time and again that the target is always achieved. So triangles are very good, because once we identify triangle and we wait for a trade, whether you want to go long or you want to go short, it will fulfill its promise. It will always fulfill its promise. So that's why I love triangles. And after today's webinar, you will also love triangles. And I'm going to share with you a super easy way of identifying triangles, finding triangles, how to find whether you are finding the triangles correctly or not. If you are ready to know what is triangle, type yes. If you are ready, typing ready is much better. If you are ready, type ready. All set, get set, go. Okay, before we go to seeing the exciting part of the triangle and how to find triangle actually on the chart, let's go through little boring part of theory. Okay, let's go through little bit of theory and forget the right angle, ascending triangle, descending triangle. Okay, these are the names for theory's sake. Tomorrow you should not say you are not taught us properly. So I am giving you I'm giving you the proper name. Okay, what are the triangles? There is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, there is a ascending triangle, descending triangle, and symmetrical triangle. If tomorrow you read some book, you should not come back and say, Samir, you did not teach us properly. These are the names of the triangles. So remember, there are three types of triangles: ascending triangle, descending triangle, symmetrical triangle. Okay, we are done with that. Fantastic. Ascending triangle. Now, okay. Now, if I draw this line and this three line, how many of you can visualize a triangle? If you see this triangle where my mouse is moving, if you can spot my mouse moving, how many of you can visualize this is a triangle, these three lines? Yes, type yes. Okay. Now, this is a triangle, but the price will never move like this, correct? Stock price will never move. So what happens is the price is coming down sometimes, it goes and it moves up, again comes down and again goes up. Now, if we draw lines like this, it will look like a triangle. Hence, it is called a triangle. The price action will not exactly form triangle. We have to imagine, little imagination is required, and we'll be able to draw the triangle. How this is triangle? So, and how far the price will go, whatever is the width of the triangle, that is how much the price will go. Okay. Now this is how the ascending triangle will look. This is ascending triangle. Okay, let me not bore you with all these diagrams. Let me straight away take you to some example. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, here. Now, here. Okay. First thing first. Okay. If you can see this Welspun chart, Welspun India chart on your screen, type yes. Okay. Now it is very simple. Triangle is very simple. You have to imagine little bit to start with. I'll tell you exactly. If you are having difficulty in imagining, it's okay. I will tell you the solution for that also. Now here it is a price movement. This is a accumulation pattern. Now point number 1, first of all, I'll draw a triangle with my imagination, and then I'll teach you how to draw it using MACD. Now I would like every one of you to imagine, let's say if I'm joining this with this and extending the line till here, and if I'm joining, let's say this point and this point, and if I'm joining it here, and if I'm joining this line and this line, how many of you can see a triangle now on your screens? Type T if you can see a triangle on your screen. T. Yes. Now this is a triangle. So what happens is I just used imagination. Don't struggle with that. I will tell you a very super easy way to find a triangle and to draw the lines. Before that, now if we are here, see what will happen is when we are actually looking at the triangles, we will see something like this forming. Okay. Once we see something like this forming, we want to know if it comes out of this triangle, how far it will go. So what you have to do is, and all those people who are going to ask me, okay, Samir, how did you do that? Can you show us again? Whatever I'm going to show you now, consider it that I'm showing it the second time, and pay attention because I'll not show you again. So you go here on the left hand side bar in trading, you go here, go and to pick up the price range. You can see the price range. Now see from here, take a measure from here to here. This is the measure, around 25 points, I believe. 142 minus 117, how much it will be? Can someone calculate? 142 minus 117 roughly. See, 142 is this line and 117 is this line. So by 122 and 25, right? Okay, so it is giving 25. So now if I pick up here and if I draw this line here, what triangle says is, the theory of triangle, I have not designed it. It is since 100 years old. Okay, I'm just sharing the knowledge and my experience with you. Theory says if a price is trapped in a triangle like this, how far it will go when it comes out? It will go equal to the width of the triangle. See, it is from here to here. You have to measure. Pick up this bar, keep it here, and it is going almost till 170. Okay, थोड़ा सा कम हो गया, 170 तक जाएगा, around 170. So we have a target. Whenever the price comes out of this consolidation accumulation, it will go to 170, and then if you see, it delivered its promise. It came out, and it went till 170. Okay. No, it can be a downtrend, it can be a trend. Don't worry about what trend it is. We have to wait for it to break up or break down. Doesn't matter. As long as you can see that it is trapped in a triangle, it will be delivering its promise. Okay. So it went. So see, beforehand itself, we knew what is the target and we were ready for it there. Now, second example I give FLA, and you'll see how beautifully it is done. Now, if you see, there is a triangle. I will draw the triangle and then you'll be able to see. If you see, there is a descending triangle. If you allow me to draw this line here, and if you allow me to draw the line here. Okay, and let's join this, and let's join this. How many of you can see this affiliate triangle? How many of you can see triangle? If you are able to see triangle, type T. Yes. Okay. Now this is the line, right? So this is the line from here, base total width we will count, and let's calculate also. So 1018 or 1020 roughly minus 12222, it is around 200, correct? 200. Can we say 200 width? Approximately 200 width from here to here. It is 200 points. Can I take 200? Yes. See, after this triangle broke, how far down will it go? It will go down by 200 points. If you see, it broke down, it came, it touched at 200 and then started going up. So that is the promise of triangle. If you see, this was a descending triangle. It came, it broke down that triangle and it delivered the promise. So the beauty of triangle is once you learn to identify the triangle, you will have a clear-cut target. Okay, if it breaks out, this far it will go. So you will have, okay, I'll enter here, I will exit here, and this is where I will book my profit. How many of you think it's very cool system to earn money? How many of you think it's very cool that yes, if you are able to identify triangles, then at least you know how far it will go, where to enter, where to exit. You no need to ask anyone how far it will go. Yes. Cool. Okay. Now third, if you see Triveni engineering. Okay. Before I come how to identify the triangles, if you see Triveni engineering. Now this is the triangle here. And if you join from here to here, it went up. If you see, if you measure it from here to here, roughly, it is around 45 points. And it broke out from here. It has to reach, yet to reach that promised data, right? Ashok, there is nothing guarantee in life. Only the guarantee, like, okay, I'll read out the question, which is genuine question. I am not saying this is not a genuine question. What Ashok is asking is, does it happen always like this? For sure. Question is very genuine. Yes. But the answer is that in life, only death is certain. This is a high probability trade. This is a very high probability trade. The likelihood of this happening is very high. The probability, we can say, is around 70 to 80% of success, which is okay, right? If you are like hitting stop loss in 2 to 3 trades, 7 trades are successful, still we will be able to earn consistently, right? Okay, now, so first thing first. Okay, now, how many of you would like to know how to draw this triangle? ठीक है यार, you showed फटाफट you are having practice, or you must have found the setups already and you are showing us this jugglery. How many of you want to know how to draw this triangle actually? ठीक है, बताया तो ठीक है, but how to draw this triangle? Yes? Okay, not many are interested, right? Okay, fine, we'll skip that part. Okay, now what you have to do is, you have to put MACD. Okay, I'll go step by step for putting MACD. Okay, now let's go to, you have to go to function. So pay attention, you have to go to the function FX in your trading view. You have to go to FX, go and where is my MACD? I'm selecting MACD. It will pop up like this. I've done some settings. So what you have to do is you have to go in settings and disable the histogram. You don't need the histogram, only have the MACD and the signal. Okay, now pay attention. See, normally you will see something like this. Normally you will see something like this. Okay, now what you have to consider is, okay, everyone paying attention? Yes. Now zoom in. Okay, and look at this MACD signal. I'll just make it bigger so that it is easily visual. Okay, now you see this MACD signal crossing down here, MACD crossing down the signal? Yes, no? MACD blue line is crossing below the signal? Yes? Okay, so we will take this as 1 point. This is our point number 1. Okay, now we have to take, you can take this point number 1. Then if you see further down, again here, can you see this MACD crossing down here below the signal here around 13 September? Yes, okay. So now we have 2 MACD signals crossing down, down and down. So it was crossing here down, it was crossing down here. So we need how many MACD crossing signal below, crossing down? How many we need? 2. Okay, because to draw any line we need 2 reference points. Why we need 2 is because to draw any line we need 2 reference points. So we have 2 points. So we will so pay attention how we'll draw. So what you do is you take a ray, not the West Bengal wala ray or whatever ray is there. This is a ray. Okay, you select this ray from here. Take the point. See, this was the first crossover. Go to the chart. This is the drawing. Okay, pick up one. You can pick up the highest point also. Go here. This was here. It was the second crossover. Before the crossover, whatever is the peak, you take that, and we have drawn one line. So we have one line. Agreed? Everyone agreed? We have one line. Now take the latest crossing above. So if you see, this was one crossing, this was one crossing. Now if you see here, This is now MACD crossing above. We will take the MACD crossing above. First two it took, it was crossing, blue was crossing down. It was crossing down the yellow line. Now we'll take two crossing above here and here. Can we see, can everyone see? The MACD is crossing up here, crossing up here. How many crossings we got? Crossing up, 2. So we need 2 points to draw a line. So this is a crossing up, this crossing we go, this is the lowest point. Okay, this is our point number 1. This is the crossing up, this is the point number 2. Pick up the ray, take this. This is the lowest point before the crossing. Take this point, draw a line. Done. You have a triangle. Okay. Everything we are doing on a daily chart. Now we are set. Okay, let's draw some beautiful. Okay. Now if we see trend line only, I'll take this trend line here. I'll take and draw it here. I'll take it here and I will draw it here. And we have a triangle. Agreed? We have a triangle. Just the third line is missing. For you can imagine the third line or you can actually draw the third line. Doesn't matter. So you can see the price is trapped in that triangle. It is getting compressed. It is not able to move out of the triangle. You should have this feeling, okay, it is going here, bouncing. It is like a ball bouncing inside the triangle. It has bounced from one wall, gone to another wall, again gone to third wall. So it's bouncing like that. Now, what is our target? Now, what you have to do is, once you have drawn the triangle, see, I don't know whether it will go up or go down. Nobody knows. Okay, if once you have a triangle, don't even fight to find out whether it will go up or go down. Assume it will go up. Assume it will go down. Okay. Assume it will go up or assume it will go down. Don't even assume that it will only go up or go down. Everyone okay? Everyone okay that don't assume whether it will go up only, assume it will go up or go down. What we do in triangle is, we wait for it to break out. We don't jump the guns. We don't enter. What we do is, whatever is the high, this was the high where it touched, we will draw a line here. Okay. This high, once it breaks this high, there is a high probability that it will go up. Okay, so what we have done is, this is the high here and we have drawn one line here. Roughly take it to the round number. If it is 793, take 795. And what we are doing is, we are waiting for a stop market order at this location. If it crosses 795, we are in trade. Okay, this is the high here, this high. Okay, this one here. Okay, we are waiting at this point. Once it crosses here, we are in trade. We are in trade. Now we want to know, if I enter at 795, where will I exit? Okay, where will I exit? So I will measure this width. What is the width of this? I will measure from here to here. It is around 124. I will add 124 somewhere here. Okay, and let's see if it is. I will draw a line here, and this is 907. Make it, round it off to 905 roughly, because we human beings look at a round number. The market does not know, or everyone in market does not know how the triangle works. Make it round figure. Everyone knows 900, 905. Make it a round figure to your target. Now, how much is the target? 900, 795, 905. You will have how many? 110 points. Okay, around 10 to 12%. Okay. Okay. Everyone okay? How to find the target? How we are setting the entry point and exit? I don't know whether it will go up or not. I don't want to jump the guns. I want the chart to tell me, yes, I am going up. We are learning charts. We are learning the language of the charts. The chart has to tell me, yes, I am going up, put my money. I should not be having a second guess whether it will go up or go down. Chart should tell me I am going up. So what I do is I wait for the price here. If it crosses here, I know it has come, it is coming out of the triangle. It is likely to go till the high. Okay, Sunil, don't repeat your question. I can see the question. Okay, I can read the questions. There is no need to type again and again. Okay, Sunil is typing a question. Why not the leftmost high? Okay, I don't know why not. This is what I read in the books. Okay, and this is how I have been practicing, and this is how it is working. When we read the books, they don't tell me why not that. Okay, so don't ask me why not that. Just learn what I'm telling. Okay, fine. So, yeah, Munish, very excellent question. Stop loss missing. Take this low. These are the lows which where it is touching. Take this as a stop loss and double click. I use Ichimoku also for stop loss, which I am not discussing right now. I use some Ichimoku. There is an indicator called Ichimoku. So I use Ichimoku indicator to have a better view of stop loss. But roughly you can take this lower point. This is the stop loss. Now tell me, gentlemen, even before we put a single rupee, are we ready with everything? We are ready with entry. We are ready with target. We are ready with a stop loss. Are we ready with all three things? No. Why, Praveen? Why you are saying no? We are ready, right? We know we will enter at 795. We know we will exit. If we enter at 795, we'll exit at 905 profit, and we'll have this loss. Correct? So this is, we are ready with that. Correct? So we are ready where we will exit, where will we like have a profit and everything is there. And then if it breaks out, so it goes and then so it has now, see, this day we entered and it's almost went there till there. Maybe tomorrow it will reach. Correct? Sunil, I have already demonstrated Afale for downward. You can again watch the video, right? Okay. So everyone okay? See, it broke out. We were in the trade here, or maybe someone would be in the trade here. It's almost free. So did it deliver its promise by very fast? Maybe tomorrow or Monday, it will touch its promise. How many of you think it's cool? This is cool, right? You know where it will go. We are waiting for it to break out peacefully, and then we can earn the money. So how many of you are loving this triangle? How many of you are loving this triangle? This triangle, everyone should love. This triangle, everyone would be loving. Now see, angel broking. This cross down, MACD cross down. Yes. Here the MACD cross down. Look at angel broking. This MACD cross down here. This MACD cross down here. Yes. How many crossing down? How many crossing down? 2, right? It crossed down, MACD blue cross yellow, blue crossed yellow, 2 crossing. Corresponding to this MACD, this is the peak. Corresponding to this MACD, this is the peak. And what we do is we join these 2 peaks. Roughly we take here and we extend. Okay. Now it crossed above here. It crossed above. How many MACDs crossed above? 2. Okay, so we will join this crossing just at the bottom below the crossing, we join. Now how far angel broking will go? We measure from here to here, and once it breaks out, did it deliver its promise? It reached till here, and we have a measure of how far it will go. Did the angel broking triangle deliver its promise? It went up, came down, went up. We knew how far it will go, and it got, the promise was delivered. Agreed? So we would not enter here. We would like to enter somewhere here. So we would enter here. It's okay. Give away a little bit here and there. It is okay. Pankaj, I just showed. No, okay. Pankaj, did you join late? Let's have some honest confessions. Okay. Next time, please join on time. Okay. So, okay. Net problem. Okay, I'll give you that much. Now, see, this is like this. If you draw this triangle, Pankaj, have a look at it. Okay. If you draw this triangle, what you have to do is you have to take this point and this point, measure it, and then this is your target. So from this point onwards till this point, almost matching here. This is your width of the triangle, and you put it, pick it up and keep it here. This is your target. So you, before even entering, before the triangle goes out, you already have a target set for you. So can I have yes, one? Now everyone knows how to draw the triangle. Now everyone knows how to draw a triangle comfortably, super easy way. Now everyone knows my secret of Sameer's top pick in the group, Telegram group. If you are there already, you know how I am sending all my top picks there. Okay. So everyone knows my secret now. Everyone knows how I am sending those signals. So this is how I am sending the signals. So you know it is easy. It's no earning money in stock market is not a rocket science. So you know how I'm sending. You know how to draw a triangle, how to find the target, how to earn money consistently. So great. And with this, so you can see all my posts now. Everyone, I would request, how many of you are there in Telegram channel? In my Telegram channel, how many of you are there already? Okay, if you are not there, I will put the Telegram channel link with you. I'll share the link. Go ahead and join and have a look. Now, how many of you remember I have put target for BSC? Okay, I'll just go to the actually my other view and okay, so here we go. Okay, now if you remember, okay, now how many of you remember the BSC trade in that? I have posted as the triangle, right? Anyone remembers the BSC trade? 1725, yes. So this is how I calculated from here to here, how far it will go. Take a moderate, take little bit, see, you can see the BSC on the screen, correct? So 1725 FSL, it started going up. Now FSL, we have the target. It's most likely to achieve the target. So this is the target. It has FSL has started moving today. Breakout has happened today. This is our target as per the calculation, and it will reach there. Yes, absolutely. Anjali is saying if it breaks up the upper line, then it will go up. If it breaks the downwards line, then it will go down till that much measure. Orient Cement, again, it is inside the triangle. I had given the entry on some basis, some different trading plan, but if it breaks out up, again, you can know. Okay, Munish is saying, can I have look at your long term also? So long term, I'll share when I'm conducting long term classes. Okay, great. So if you have a question, just type your name. I'll come to you one by one. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, Jitu, go ahead.
Thank you. Hypothetical question. I haven't even started trading yet, but I'm following you, like a leech. Okay, question please. Can we use triangles? Just out of curiosity, can we use
Uh-huh.
triangles, say for weekly Nifty options?
You can use.
Yeah. Okay. I'm
See,
like I said, yeah.
options, if you are selling the option, then triangles will be more useful in
Okay.
that perspective.
Okay.
So because one is the breakout when it happens depends from expiry, how far it is away from expiry.
Yeah.
So if you sell using triangles, it is more beneficial that way.
So put option triangle is
Ha
to
ha ha
use.
ha.
Okay.
So
It's
you
just a
that
question.
will,
I'm still learning. I haven't even
yeah.
done anything yet. Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah, Salvat, go ahead, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, very much.
First of all, gratitude, Samir, for conducting all these sessions. And so my question is,